the sun will shine on. Learn all you can from the folks you meet, though they might be strange and sleep on the street, but in some ways we all are wise. Give all your hearts a fighting chance, test your fears and doubts, would you like to dance? And open up your eyes. See the world and let the world see you. Take the time to love the things you do, and you'll hear it when you